Doha's skyline is a testament to ambition. It reaches for the sky. Among these gleaming towers, there is a building that stands apart, the Museum of Islamic Art. It sits alone on a reclaimed island. This is a testament to the power of art. It transcends boundaries. It speaks to us across time. The museum beckons you. It invites you on a journey. It is a journey through 1,400 years of history. You will discover the incredible artistry of the Islamic world. This is more than just a museum. It is a cultural experience. The museum is a masterpiece. It was designed by I.M. Pei. He was a master architect. His vision was to create a building as timeless as the art it houses. Prepare to be inspired. The Museum of Islamic Art will stay with you long after you leave. It is a testament to the enduring power of art, history, and human ingenuity. The Museum of Islamic Art is a marvel of architecture. I.M. Pei drew inspiration from ancient Islamic architecture. He used geometric forms. He played with light and shadow. The result is stunning. The building is a study in contrasts. Stark white cubes rise from the ground. They are softened by delicate arches. Intricate patterns adorn the walls. The play of light and shadow changes throughout the day. The exterior is breathtaking, but the interior is even more impressive. The museum's design guides you. It leads you on a journey of discovery. Pei's masterpiece seamlessly blends old and new. It pays homage to the past, but it also looks to the future. This architectural triumph perfectly houses the treasures within. Enter the museum. Look up. You'll be greeted by an awe-inspiring sight. The atrium. It is the heart of the museum. It is a soaring space. It is flooded with natural light. Look up at the intricate dome. It seems to float effortlessly above. The dome is a marvel of engineering. It is a work of art in itself. It represents the connection between heaven and earth. The atrium is more than just a space. It is a central point. Galleries branch out from it. They invite you to explore. It is a place to pause and reflect. Let the beauty of the museum wash over you. The atrium embodies the spirit of the museum. It is a place where cultures meet. It is a place where art transcends time. The museum's collection is a treasure trove. It spans centuries. It stretches across continents. It tells the story of Islamic art. Begin your journey through the galleries. You are transported back in time. You'll see ancient Quran manuscripts. Their calligraphy is exquisite. Discover the beauty of Islamic ceramics. Be amazed by the intricate patterns. Marvel at the vibrant colors. The collection doesn't stop there. It includes metalwork, textiles, and scientific instruments. Each piece is a testament to the skill of the artisans. The museum's collection is a reminder. Islamic art is diverse. It is influential. It has shaped the world we live in today. Section 5. The Sparkle of Islamic Jewels. Step into the jewelry gallery. Prepare to be dazzled. The collection is breathtaking. It showcases the artistry of Islamic jewelers. Each piece tells a story. You'll find delicate earrings. There are ornate necklaces. You'll see bracelets adorned with precious stones. The collection highlights regional styles. See the differences between Ottoman and Mughal jewelry. Admire the craftsmanship of each piece. These jewels are more than just adornments. They are symbols of power. They represent wealth and status. They offer a glimpse into the lives of the people who wore them. Section 6. Treasures beyond the permanent collection. The Museum of Islamic Art is always evolving. It hosts an array of special exhibitions. These exhibitions complement the permanent collection. They offer fresh perspectives on Islamic art. Experience contemporary art. See how artists are reinterpreting traditional forms. Explore new mediums and expressions. These exhibitions make the museum a vibrant hub. It is a place of constant discovery. There is always something new to see. Check the museum's website. See what treasures await you. Section 7. A beacon for scholars. The Museum of Islamic Art is more than just a museum. It is a center for scholarship. It houses an impressive library. It is a valuable resource for researchers and students. The library's collection is vast. It contains books and manuscripts on Islamic art, history, and culture. It is a place of learning and discovery. Scholars from around the world come here. They conduct research. They attend lectures and symposia. The museum is committed to education. It plays a vital role in fostering a deeper understanding of Islamic art. Section 8. Tranquility by the Sea. Step outside the museum. Discover the MIA Park. It is a haven of peace. It offers stunning views of the Doha skyline. Stroll along the waterfront promenade. Relax on the lush lawns. Take a break at a cafe. The park is home to Richard Serra's Sculpture 7. This towering steel structure stands as a testament to human creativity. The MIA Park is the perfect place to reflect. Enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Let the experience sink in. Section 9. Planning your visit to a world of wonder. Ready to embark on your own journey through Islamic art? Planning your visit to the Museum of Islamic Art is easy. The museum is open throughout the week. Admission is free. Guided tours are available. Enhance your visit. Dine at the museum's restaurant. It offers stunning views of the Doha skyline. Browse the gift shop. Find unique souvenirs. The Museum of Islamic Art is a must-see destination. It is a place where art comes alive. It is a place where you can connect with history. Come experience the wonder for yourself.